welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, let's unbox my toys from Pop Mart, from National Bookstore. And guys, sobrang dami niyan. I'm so excited. So let's start. Starting off with this Crybaby. This is the shiny plush doll. This is so cute. As in, super cute niya talaga. I also have here this one, the Powerpuff Girls, the Funko Pop. This is 850 pesos. And then I also have Blossom. This is 850 pesos as well. And lastly, we have Bubbles for 850 pesos. This one naman is my favorite Disney princess, si Belle. And I got this for 1,500 pesos. Another Pop Mart is this Sad Claw plush doll. Super nice nito guys. Sobrang pretty niya. I have another Pop Mart Cheer Up Baby na plush doll. This one is a pendant pero hindi natin siya i-open kasi di-display ko lang siya. Lilac purple. Oh, look. So nice. Grabe, it's so nice. Grabe, look at the costume. Wow. So nice. Grabe. Look at that. Wow. Look, guys. Wow, this is so cute. Guys, look. Wow! Ang ganda, guys. Look. It's so nice. Wow. Ang cute, guys. Look, super cute talaga ng Nomi. I love Nomi. Nancy pala. Kamukha kasi sila nung Nomi, guys. So, minsan napapagbaliktad ko sila. But I super love this. I also have the plush toys. Pero, nabuksan ko na kasi siya. Ayan, look. Heart. Secret, please. Wow. And this one, guys, here siya. Here. Somewhere here. So nice. Grabe. So nice. Guys, may plastic siya para hindi magkaroon ng gas-gas yung face. Look. this. It's so nice. Grabe. Wow, guys, look. Nagbabali. Yung nagbabali. Sobrang nice naman ito. Look. And then, meron siyang stand. So, guys, meron siyang stand. And then, put it here. Look. Wow. So nice. Cute. Wow. So cute. Look. Last one. Please, please, please. Cute. Yung color niya, guys, is like Demo. This one is, what is this? Time Guardian. Yung color nito, it's like Demo, if you're familiar with it. You can check Demo, Pop Mart. So nice, guys. Look. Ganda. Look at that, guys. So cute. Next box. This is Nancy's Dream. Let's open. Wow. First box. Guys, look, it's so nice. Wow. Look, so nice. This is so nice. And cute, guys. Oh my gosh, look. Wow. Wow. Guys, look at this. Look. Girl, so nice. This is so nice. Wow. You know, this is a dream. Oh, nahulog pa. Almost. Almost sira na siya. Wow. Oh my gosh. Girl. Look at this. So beautiful. ganda, guys. Grabe. Next. Oh my god, ano to? Cute naman ito. Look. This is so cute. Wow. So cute. I wanna open the bubble bath already. Super cute. What is this? Girl, it's so nice. Grabe. Kakaiba tong Nancy, guys. As in, mapapawaw ka every figure. Kasi, guys, look. Grabe talaga. And this is much cheaper than Pop Mart. Next, guys. Eh, sana yung... Ano ba yan? Nasaan na kaya yung... Oh no, ayaw niyo ma-open. Okay, here. Oh, trash. What is this? What is this? Ooh. Ano to? Wow. Look. Dalawang Nancy. Nice. This is such a good collection. Kasi, ang cute niya, oh. Para siya, guys, nakaganyan. Like, mirror. Mirror on the wall. Next, guys, we have this one. Secret. Yung secret, guys. So sad. I'm not going to use it. Bathtub! Oh. Guys, ang ganda niya talaga. Tingnan niyo yung bathtub. Ooh. Bubble bath. Look. And then, we're gonna put this one sa head. Sa head ba to? Let's see. Oh, tama. Para siyang towel. So, we're gonna put it here. Cute, guys. Look at this. Wow. Next, guys. Alam nyo, this one is the best blind box na Nancy. I also have the plush toys, pero na-open ko na siya, so hindi ko na siya i-include here. Open this one. Nancy's Dream is like the pinaka mapapawaw ka talaga na ay. See? Guys, look naman. Diba? It's so nice. Girl, so nice. Next. Guys, wala pa ako nakukuha na secret. But it's fine. Sobrang ganda naman ng lahat. So, like, it's okay. See, look oh. Grabe yung details niya. Sobrang nice. Guys, this is the last one. And ang bigat niya. So, ang wala pa ako is meron ako yung Hug Me Dreamy Mirror. Etong Fairy Moth, ang wala ako. I have the Butterfly, yung Sleepwalk. Ang bigat niya. Sana ito yung secret. Oh my gosh. But kung hindi, it's fine. Grabe, ang bigat. Ano ito? Don't tell me secret. Joke. I feel like hindi siya secret. Yeah. Oh! Look, guys! Ito pala yung Hug Me. Ang cute! Girl, ang ganda. Tingnan niyo kung gaano siya ka-cute, guys. Wow!